Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, December the 2nd. My name is Barry Enerson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. And this is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our trading room. I open the room from 9 to 3 Eastern Time every day. I'm live on the mic and I share my screen. Now, in the email you're getting, the promo code seems to still be alive for Paper Turkey to get 25% off, okay? So I don't know if it'll be working when you get this, but it was certainly working most of the day. So that's still for 25% off. Remember, it all has to be in caps. It's amazing how many people said it didn't work over the weekend. It's just because you're not putting it all in capital letters. Anyway, today, not quite as dynamic as we had the 3.5 days of last week when, boy, everything was really lots and lots of fantastic trend plays. It wasn't bad today, but certainly not the same trend, certainly on the long side. I mean, the market's down a couple of hundred points. This is what the SPY at the beginning of the day was kind of flat, and then it's just been dropping. So we'll see if we get some kind of a recovery. But obviously then, the long plays, even though I often say that some of these little bios that we follow, they're not as affected. Well, even eventually, even they get affected when the market is cruising down. So not as many great alerts, we had some nice alerts, just not continuation. So, from my watch list today, AMRX 408, hit 423, nothing fantastic. This one was amazing. 723, and my goodness, got all the way up, almost $1 before it came back down. QD, I don't think did very much, 510. Got up to 521. NEO did not move very much. La Jolla, I don't think moved very much off the alert. Yeah, not very much. This one, I think, 865. Yeah, this one got all the way up from 865 to 967. So that was a tremendous one. I mean, they're not all going to be rocket ships, but wow, I mean, that was tremendous. LXRX 306 did get all the way up to 331, okay, before it pulled back. I think AQMS, that's just a little one. I don't think it really did much. ORMP, I believe, yeah, ORMP, 519 was the alert, all the way up to 580 something. So, I mean, there were some really good ones. Just the difference, I think, between last week and this week is that this would have kind of continued. I'm not saying it would have had to, go and add another $20, but this one would have kind of continued last week, and they just did not have quite the continuation. So a lot of very quick, great percentage moves. PTON, 35.75. This has been a real star. This was an IPO let's see, what month was that? That was back in September. And it's way above the IPO price now. I think the IPO price was 27. Didn't look very good at the beginning. I think the IPO price was 27. It dropped all the way down to 20, but it had a tremendous recovery in November and looks like it's trying to keep going in December. So anyway, just wanted to show you all these. I didn't do very much trading today, but I just wanted to show you these. The watch list is still, to me, it's a great resource all day long. If you want to see those symbols, all you have to do is click on New, Channel Bar, and My Windows, okay? And from there, you'll get these three windows. Okay, these are the ones that are on the short side, these are the long side, and this is a combination, all right? And again, if you've been saving these, you have, as part of your layout, which is fine, but you have to, every Monday morning, you will have to redo it because I changed the name of the symbol list. So, the old symbol list is not valid anymore. So the bottom line is that you'd have a symbol list attached that will have nothing in it. So you have to do that. Plus, I may change some of the filter values. So your best bet, of course, is every Monday morning. Of course, you have to reload if you want to see these symbols. All right, everybody, we do want to get back into the room. So I will just bring back the capture program. And tear down that chart. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. Again, the link for our free room. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So I hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.